What's up, everyone? It's me, your Sudichi John Valencia, and welcome back to Chule Asia Diaries. For today, we are back to a reaction for a movie trailer, guys. It's been a while since we reacted to a movie trailer, but this is very special kasi ito ay para sa Don Bell, Bel Mariano, and Donnie Panghilinan para sa kanilang latest movie, which is Tayo sa Wakas, the official trailer. And you know what, guys? I know na mga ka-Don Bell natin medyo malungkot because they announced that there will be Don Bell no more, guys. Totoo ba tong chika na to? Comment down below ninyo. Is this the last movie na makikita natin si Bel Mariano and Donnie in the same movie, guys? At is it really the end of an era for Don Bell? You can comment down below kasi it's gonna be a very sad news kung talagang confirm. Kasi parang nakita ko to sa sa Facebook at saka sa Instagram na parang umiyak pa si Belle dun sa kanilang media conference na sinabi nga na Donnie and Don Bell is no longer be together. Parang ganoon, guys. Ito ba? I-comment nyo nga yan. But before we proceed today, of course, ito ay para sa kanilang movie. So wag muna tayo dun sa sad part. Let's see what they will offer if this will be their last movie for today's video. But before we proceed, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Chule Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, you're playing 3, 2, 1, and go. And this is directed by Katy Garcia as well.
No. Never.
Oh my God. Uy, parang serious to movie. I mean, mature kind of story.
I love you more.
Oh my God!
More.
Oh my God, may feels ng ng The House of Us, yung gano'n, no? Di ba yun din ang last movie ng Katniel? Tama ba ako, guys? Comment down below. Pero, oh my God, balikan natin. Star Cinema, of course. Sinong nagmahal?
I love you more.
Tuks at tawagan. Aww. Tuks for Tukmol. Sa'yo nagbigay.
Kita.
Sa amin ako uwi.
Okay.
Sa Tarlac.
Oh.
Oh my God. Parang yan yung sa Starting Over Again, di ba? As reference lang, guys. I'm not comparing. But sa Starting Over Again naman, sa Batangas naman hinatid si Tony.
Okay.
Uy, ako
Okay.
kaya. You're
May
great.
mga backstory.
The best!
Yes, you are.
Sinong
Since we
umiintindi?
always work best together.
Di ba? Oh my God. Parang The House of Us yung datingan, guys. Saka yung The Loved One. Oh my God. Napanood ko lang yan recently. Ang ganda.
Why do it for someone else? If we can do it for ourselves.
I'm not joining you.
Oh my God. May break up.
Are we okay?
Sinong napagod? Oh my God. This question is always, sinong napagod? Oh my God. Parang no?
Trust me.
It's about
Iba talaga ang
responsibility.
direct
Alam ko ba
casting.
wala akong dapat patunayan sa'yo?
Hindi ibig sabihin nun, lahat ng gusto mo, susundin ko.
Oh my God. Speaking of level up acting, grabe yung scene na yun.
Ability.
Alam ko ba wala akong dapat
Sure,
patunayan sa'yo?
magka-trending yung
Hindi
scene na
ibig sabihin nun, lahat ng gusto mo, susundin ko.
Ay, ikaw. Sinong bumitaw? Oh my God. Ang theme song nila. Ano nga kanta to? Oh my God.
Ikaw.
Sino kumanta, guys? Ano ba to? Theme song to ng lolo ko eh. Charot. Grabe yung acting. Written by Vanessa Valdez. Diba? Katy Garcia. Tatak Katy Garcia. Oh my God. nakaka-excite. Sana merong international screening. Paano na tayo? Oh my God. Hanggang yung title. Pinag-isipan ko pa tayo sa wakas. Oh my God! May 27, 2026. There you have it, guys. That is the official trailer of the movie of Dawn Bell, Tayo sa Wakas. Hanggang pala yung title ng theme song. Pinag-isipan ko pa habang kasi iba yung version, guys. Akala ko mga kahit isang saglit, ganun. Pero why they use a classic, 'di ba? A classic theme song. Hindi yung mga pang Gen Z na masasakit na kanta. Tulad yung sa The Loved One, 'di ba? Multo yung yung theme song nun. But this one, they choose a classic one. It means it's going to be heavy. 'Di ba? Yung kasi Hanggang is like an OPM classic na talaga namang kumurot at kung saan-saan ginamit ng mga Pilipino. So it means this movie will be so relatable knowing that Cathy Garcia is the director who made The House of Us, which is sobrang ganda. And not only that, a lot more. Starting Over Again. Oh no, Over Again is not Cathy Garcia. It's Olivia Lamasan, guys. Meron tayong Barcelona, di ba? All the Katniel movies na sobrang gaganda. And of course, yung lahat ng mga family drama. And in terms of rom-com, di ba? Sarah G. and John Lloyd na movie nila is Cathy Garcia. So we expect, the expectation is so high for this movie. And also, for sure, Dawn Bell will give it all for everybody who's supporting them, especially if it's confirmed that this is gonna be their last team up together in a big screen. Oh my gosh, this is going to be a huge pressure. But seeing the storyline, maybe people will say that it's like the typical Cathy Garcia love story. Tapos, may pagka House of Us, just an honest opinion. But definitely may ibang atake to, guys. Iba yung ibibigay ng Dawn Bell at iba ibibigay ng na screenplay for this movie. So I'm so excited and I hope there's gonna be an international screening. I will definitely check that out kasi napanood ko yung dito The House of Us and also Barcelona here in Malaysia. And also The Loved One, dito rin, pinalabas din siya internationally. So I'm so excited para mapanood natin to in the big screen, guys. So, kung mawawala man ng Dawn Bell, of course, everybody was gonna be sad. But for sure, it's for their own good and maturity as an artist. So I'm not sure anong reason, guys. I-chika nyo nga sa akin sa comment section at pag-usapan natin yan. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.